Let's make the Florida Punch. All drinks as normal start off with a little bit of ice. We're going to use 4 parts of dark rum. The part will be 1 ounce. The jigger I'm using is 1 ounce and a ½ ounce on the bottom. So we're going to use 4 ounces of dark rum. Don't be afraid to pour a little extra in there. I'm sure Grandma wouldn't kill you. After a while, you won't even hear from Grandma. We're going to use 1 part cognac. And again, a little bit for Grandma. We're going to put a little flavor with some OJ and a little bit of grapefruit juice. Since you got juices in here, you're going to want to shake thoroughly. I'm going to go ahead and put the presentation glass, the highball glass out front. We're going to go ahead and pour into the glass. Don't deny yourself liquor. Grab yourself a strainer. It's your friend. A little cocktail straw. Yeah, Florida Punch. Cheers.